No, I had friction fix when I got it.
Do you not use a capo?
Not very often. I mean, I'll use a capo when I want to get up higher than this. But between A and G, I don't. What's that?
They sound a lot better.
Yeah. This capo works good. I use this one on the fifth string.
So that's a 5th string capo you've got there.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, so if I want to go up from A, say to C or something, I can put a capo there and slide this all the way up to here. Down on my knees. Well, I learned this tune from people who played around Lexington, Virginia, in the early 70s when I was learning to play. But I didn't actually learn it from anybody. I just kind of heard to do it and make up my own version. So I didn't really remember the words right. I played out of A, and everybody down there plays it out of D, so it kind of became a different. Yeah, it kind of did. I guess it did. I think the best thing that happened to me as far as songwriting was that I couldn't remember what other people, what they wrote, so I had to make up my own words to a lot of things.
So you can steal it with good conscience?
Yeah, exactly. I don't remember. Like, I learned that from the president. I have no memory of that. I'm not saying it didn't happen. I'm saying I wouldn't attention.
And as you get older, it becomes the truth. I have no memory of it.
It's true.